हमारा टेंडर है CD हम लोग के पास 20 होती है तो 20 एग्जाम में लीड पढ़ के मुश्किल और एक बार रिलेशन रीजन भी आ रहे हैं हमारी बैच की हम जब नहीं करते तभी स्कूलों में अच्छा नहीं Good evening, sir. Hey guys, the attendance less is not because of the exams, because of the monsoon. Yes. The day when you bring Shatata, वो आज की जब was on Sunday. Now that is career counseling was on Sunday. Do you have the notebook? Now this section of the boys, especially, pick up the books. What are you blankly doing? Last class I had completed chapter number transport. Completed. Today I intend to start the chapter. No. Transport. They are saying that airlines haven't started it. Is it?
Waterways are airways का brief करना है.
So you want me to give a detailed note on whatever? Boy, okay. No three in a bench. Come here.
Roadways का कितना वाला?
Whoever is talking, please. One, the strength is left foot. On the top, roadways here. Then right for the roadway. He's showing me roadways as the greatest challenge. I'm giving the notes for roadways. Right up. Roads are the most important mode of transport. Roads are the most important mode of transport. Where is your friend today? Using
She is studying.
I would say. Important mode of transport, highly suitable for short and medium distances. Highly suitable for short and medium distances. Suitable for short and medium distances. Second point. It's one. Road construction is the most flexible mode of transport. Is the most flexible.
Road construction.
Then cancel the word construction. I knew it. मेरा point है only अच्छा ठीक है. It is the most flexible mode of transport since exam they ask you why it is flexible as compared to railways. As compared to railways. I'm saying the second point fully. Road is the most flexible mode of transport. As compared to railways, its construction and maintenance. Yeah. I don't think so. I will not allow you to say that. Construction and maintenance is cheaper and more easier as compared to construction of railways. Sometimes I should feel that your mouth should be locked.
As compared to
Construction and maintenance is easier than railways. He's showing his elbow, that's okay, right elbow, that's you are unable to write. But anytime did you say my mouth is paining today, I won't talk. Next point. Construction costs. Next point. Next point you write out. Roads are categorized into. No need to write it in separate one below the other, write it in one line. National highways. Sign to कर दिया ना कितना उसमें करेगा state highways, district roadways, rural roads, right in the same line, huh? District, state, rural, border, rural, border, and अभी ये नया कुछ super and express highways, super and express highways, super and express highways. Super 6 lane है, 4 lane है वैसा. Next, golden quadrilateral, GQ is the largest express project in India. Is the largest express project in India. Okay, connecting the 4 metropolitan cities, connecting the 4 metropolitan cities. Now everyone write down the 4 metropolitan cities. It's okay. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. That is initial. Now it connects more than 16. 16.
So it's a Mumbai and the one.
ठीक है वो अभी तक that is coastal road crossing वो अभी start नहीं हुआ
Mumbai Dubai and then what's the
हाँ बहुत जरूरी write the next para advantages cities of India full stop तो ये advantages के पहले NHA SHA के बारे में मैंने डिस्कस किया था ना हाँ it is NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. But अभी उसका sentence दे देता हूँ ना. It is NHAI. If you have already written the full form, directly write the short form. It is NHAI. नहीं उसके पहले. Which undertook this project. Initially as a 4-lane express highway. A 4-lane express highway. GQ का ही है. It is a 4-lane express highway with a whooping cost of 60,000. तुम जाके पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान चलाते हैं अगर नहीं होगा तो हम तेरा कुर्बानी पाकिस्तान करबला में आ Did you not sign? Why did the attendant she did not pass? Aram Sharam. Write down the next point. Go ahead. Write down the next. Advantages. Easy construction, easy maintenance. Point number 1, advantages. Easy construction, easy maintenance. Gradient of these slopes, gradient, मतलब वो steep हो या decibel or any terrain. What happened when you are not going to be absentee? Gradient of slopes or mountain slopes are easier to connect. Or mountain slopes are easier to connect by roadways. Next, it provides easier to connect through roadways. It provides door-to-door services. Okay, there might be a question, so you can write there only GR, give reason. In board exam, if they ask you. Next, roadways act as a feeder. To other mode of transport. Next, the length and quality of roadways. The length and quality of roadways determines the length and the quality of roadways determines the index of economic development. Index, put it into single inverted comma. Index of economic development. Now disadvantages. Now before I take you to disadvantages, any of the points of the advantages you feel, if it arises in the board exam, you'll be able to write minimum 4 points. There are 3 questions from the advantages. One, they might ask you, how does a Roadways provide door-to-door service. One. Second, is it a feeder? You say yes, it is a feeder, and then explain. Out of these three, and the last question that you have written, the point that you have written, what is that point? So how does road becomes a reflection of the country's development? That you have to write. I've already explained that. Did I not explain door-to-door service? Because you travel by any mode of transport, either by air or by land, water or by train. Your destination home will be reached only by roads. No mode is going to directly drop you in the terrace. Abhi jaise Navi Mumbai people, especially for that Ulve, many people purchase a flat that as it is closer to the international airport. So I also, not I, my family members also want me to purchase one, which I did not have the money for. I told them very frankly, मैं जब foreign से India आएगा, runway पे उतरेगा, directly terrace पे नहीं उतरेगा. So no need for our flats to be very close to the airport. One. Second, if you are near to the international airport, then the trouble, especially the noise pollution, is going to be not at all ordinary. It is going to be extraordinary. Third, people are saying, sir, हम लोग international airport के बारे में बोले, उसमें तेरा क्या contribution? नहीं sir, my flight will be taking off or departing. That is no problem. But my flat cost is going to take off. मतलब कितना take off करेगा? कितना take off करेगा? There is a limit. In fact, I feel the amount of distribution, disturbance that you will be getting in your communication is going to be maximum. Your mobile phone network, your telecommunication, everything is going to be. And normally I have seen people living closer to a railway station, not even a railway station. उस area से tracks जाता है. That itself every 2 minutes the people are in a rumbling mood. जब वो railway रुक जाता है, ये लोग normal हो जाते हैं. क्या है? तो जब भी train आता है ना, it rumbles us. So we are living in a rumbling society. मतलब वो कुछ rumbling society, कुछ नहीं, बाजू में track चलता है. अगर ट्रेन का इतना है, सोचो प्लेन का कितना है. तो बोला नहीं सर, हमारा एयरपोर्ट के बाजू में घर है तो घर है. Correct. Let us go a little bit high. Then we go to this Uran area, JNPT area. It's all seaport area. I heard people have to come all the way to Nerul to take at least some decent groceries. And bachas are not around to move because big containers move 24/7. Correct? Even I remember my first journey from Lonavala back to Panvel only. We just followed a wrong route. And हमारा पूरा biking का 3-4 member लोग हम लोग सिर्फ टेम्पो के पीछे ही जा रहा है. तो मैंने मेरा ट्रैवलर से पूछा ये कौन सा रूट है? चुपचाप चला बे गाड़ी फास्ट चल. मुझे half of the route only I can see this tempos and crawlers. फिर एक जगह पर रुक के मैंने बोला ये लगता है कि JNPT जा रहा है. तुझे क्या करने का? वो TL जा रहा है. अरे मुझे नहीं जाने का JNPT. पनवेल दूसरे जगह पर we are following. And then we drove back half an hour. Then we came to know this is JNPT route. Understood what I am trying to say? So every time the government of India makes a very careful planning. Where is the residence? Where is the airport? Where is the we can say the groceries and other things. So you travel by any mode to reach your doorstep, except roadways, no one will reach. I had asked some Keralites people, those who live in that place called Alapula. That is called as LAP in English. That is better. And we call that as the Venice of South India. Yes. If you have not seen Venice, it's a wonderful city. Here people are said to be taking a boat to reach to a different house. अभी फिर मुंबई वाला बोलते हैं इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, रेनफॉल में आ जाओ, हम भी बोट में. एंड अभी मुंबई से भी आगे मिस्टर केजरीवाल गवर्नमेंट इज कॉम्पिटिंग. मैंने तो पहले ही बोला था कि हाँ दिल्ली झीलों का शहर बनेगा, हर जगह झरना, हर जगह वो भी मुफ्त में मिलेगा आपको. दिल्ली वाले बोले इसके लिए क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना, आप घर पे रहो, हम आपको बहाते लेके. And the entire Delhi is in deep in trouble. He is founded in Bangalore and he's attending that big meeting. एंड उधर से बैठ के बोलता दिल्ली वालों टेंशन मत लो मैं आ रहा हूँ तो पब्लिक बोले तुम आता उधर. What does it mean? Whatever is the calamity happens, the politicians and the politics are not far away. अभी देखो मणिपुर जल रहा है किसी ने बोला तुरंत हमारा एलपीजी सिलेंडर वाला बोला अच्छा उधर जल रहा है तो फिर इधर क्या कर रहा था अरे वो जल रहा अलग है ये जला अच्छा ऐसा बोलो ना क्या है. So what does it mean? Every time when we talk about this transport, I feel road transport will show you that country has developed on a true scale. Did I not speak about that Purvanchal Express Highway where jet fighter planes are able to easily land? अभी हमारा मुंबई में ट्रेन या बाकी तो छोड़ दो ड्यूरिंग रेनफॉल हमारा रोड इतना बेटर हो जाता है हमारा टू व्हीलर भी लैंड नहीं कर सकता. Now today I had the biggest trouble. I took a turn from that CBD area and that Berampada area से अंदर आया late हो गया करके. Belpada, I'm so sorry. Berampada is Bandra. And that entire Belpada area is having lot of trees which are without any leaves. Only trees कहाँ से है? किसी ने बोले सर वो trees नहीं है, लकड़ी लगा के रखा है. आप बाइक के साथ पानी में अंदर घुस जाओ, वरना आप कल ही बाहर आए. Everywhere it is a stopper. And the roads are in such a good condition. मुझे लगा this is also close to Delhi. एनवायरमेंट और इसमें गरीब बच्चा लोग अगर देखा बोलते सर सस्ते में स्विमिंग पूल मिला कूदो सर इसको है ना. This is what we are saying. You go to Sain, I think Sain Matunga region where I have studied and where I work also, all car extra pullers are ready standing. अपना कार बंद हुआ कि नहीं चार बंदे लोग अपने आप आपका कार पुश करके स्टार्ट भी करके दे देंगे. And you are very happy. इतना देर से रुका ए 500 रुपए निकाल मतलब रेनफॉल आते ही उनका अलग सिक्योरिटी रहता है और अलग एम्प्लॉयमेंट बिजनेस है. एंड फिर बीएमसी बोलता है वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द रेनफॉल. मतलब एक मोटर पंप नहीं दिख रहा है जो गटर का पानी बाहर निकालता है. एंड कुछ लोग बोलते हैं नो सर डोंट वरी ड्यूरिंग रेनफॉल गटर इज द सेफेस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. आप इधर आप दिल्ली ने दादर ने तो वर्ली का गटर से तो बाहर निकल ही जाए. हाँ अगर आप आगे रास्ते में वड़ा पाव या चाय का स्टॉल मिल गया वो भी अच्छा है क्योंकि पाइपलाइंस नहीं है. वी आर गोइंग थ्रू वाटर लाइंस. एंड फिर मैं ये कोस्टल रोड का भाई ने पूछा तो कोस्टल रोड इज कनेक्टेड वेरी सून. मुझे लगता है कि कोस्टल रोड मुंबई में एटलीस्ट रेनफॉल का टाइम का तो जरूरत नहीं है. ऑटोमेटिकली नेचर बोलता है कोस्टल रोड ही यहाँ तक. अभी आई थिंक गोइंग टू पनवेल इफ यू हैव स्टक इन दैट कलम्बोली सिग्नल आई हैवंट गॉन लॉन्ग टाइम. Kalamboli signal is one signal which will give you a test of your life. है ना. One, it will take maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Two, you can see cars and two wheelers, four wheelers coming from all the corner. मैं खुद कितने बार वो रूट से मैं रॉन्ग रूट पकड़ के दूसरा किधर ही चलेगी. फिर उन्होंने नहीं साहब पनवेल राइट में मारता है. मुझे क्या मालूम पब्लिक ने इतना अच्छे से गाड़ी घुमा के लेके गया. आई एम फॉलोइंग दैट व्हीकल ओनली. एंड फिर हमारा सो कॉल्ड आरटीओ डिपार्टमेंट जो हेल्पफुल डिपार्टमेंट वो फिर पकड़ के जो फाइन मारता है वो अलग. So we are saying that these roads are very good. I'm not saying no, but then these calamities have to face. Then I remember talking about this which mode door to door I've explained. Is it? Feeder का मतलब क्या है? You travel by any mode, reaching your houses only through roads. That is why it is acting as a feeder. Feeding whom? People coming from railway station, people coming from airport, people coming even from docks. That is the water transport. That is why it is feeder. Is it okay? Shall I test one answer with you guys? Why roads are referred as? No, no. नहीं वो हमारा ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए. Why roads are referred as? अच्छा डिसएडवांटेज दे दो पहले. लिख लो पॉइंट नंबर 1 फॉर डिसएडवांटेज.
सर
क्या होता है?
हाँ
शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस के लिए लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस के लिए रेलवे बेटर है. I don't understand why I didn't say cheapest. I didn't say cheapest. I said it is better.
No, but gold is changing.
हाँ?
दिल्ली का
अभी जो
25 hours.
अभी जो मुंबई दिल्ली एक्सप्रेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ना यू फील 4.5 hours जितना पुणे जाने का डिस्टेंस है उतना आप दिल्ली पहुंच.
सर यहाँ
होता भी right now. Disadvantage is point number 1. In case of long journey, and long distances. In case of long journey to long distances, it is inconvenient and uneasy. Inconvenient and uneasy. Next. Next to the volume. Freight charges. Freight charges. What are freight? The luggage. Freight. FREIGST. Charges are higher than railways. Are higher than railways. Next. Next. Increasing number of cars and vehicles. Increase in the number of cars and vehicles adds to the traffic and increased pollution. Number of cars and what did I say? Vehicles adds to the air pollution and traffic. Next. Next. Long journey transportation. Long journey transportation. Railways are far cheaper. Long journey transportation. Railways are far cheaper. Next. Deteriorating. What is deteriorating? Degrading. Deteriorating conditions of roads. Deteriorating conditions of roads, especially during monsoon. Deteriorating conditions of roads, especially during monsoon and during landslides. Roadways are not at all useful. Roadways are not at all useful. So, right, out of the 3 questions, I am going to give only 1. Let me see. 4 points with 1 introduction and 1 conclusion. Okay. Explain. Explain. Question. Roads acts as a feeder. Roads or roadways act as a feeder to other mode of transport. ये क्वेश्चन को ऐसा भी आएगा, justify the statement. Come on, you can connect the answer using my own introduction, that roads का, फिर वो 4 points लिखो, फिर एक conclusion. Everyone on their own. Why it is a feeder? Feeder. Yeah. Anyone completed the answer? Let me come round to pull the figures. आज spectator बनकर आया है audience. क्या हुआ by the way? Your elbow. Then go and diagnose it. Others can go on first.
I'm racing good.
This is what we don't advance. Yes. Water exam आता water is the cheapest. So four points, not less than 4 points answer is incomplete. And including 2 points of introduction and conclusion, 6 points to get. Paragraph, it depends. Show me. No, yours is late. You just write only one sentence.
So the one key that
कहाँ तूने लिखा है? इधर लिखा है। मैं इधर ही लिखा हूँ। When you are handing the book, normally this is the way we look. तो इस तरह लिखेगा। Yeah, understand. There is some level of frequency which is wavelength is also good. ये सब समझ में आता है टेक्निकल वेवलेंथ every mode of transport is dependent indirectly directly है ना. If you take a flight, why you are saying if you take a flight? Don't say example exam में ऐसा direct sentence नहीं लिखना, not allowed. ठीक है, I can accept. Where is your failure? ये कब? अगले साल? ठीक है, next lecture में देखना. They are reading the answers so that those who look at transport in India begins with industrialization. Every mode of transport directly depends on roadways. Roadways, without the use of roadways, one cannot reach door to door. Door to door destination case. This point is wrong. I will cut your marks. Half marks देने का था वो भी अभी गया. मैं दोबारा लिखूँ. It's so easy to write the wrong answer. Huh? Write more. I won't comment. Same hand. What Gaudi company doing? She's scratching something. Dude. It's okay. That's क्या black day?
Yes.
What for?
Excellent.
Parliament में public flag भी गया. उसके लिए तो नहीं.
Very easy.
Sure. Wait, I don't. No, because today to demonstrate, you have seen, na?
Sir, open hands.
Yeah.
Exam के वक्त daily
Yeah.
exam.
Hey, look, this is a better answer. I feel I'm reading points for you. Even though long distance travel is being much preferred for railways or airways, but ultimately it is preferred to reach any particular or specific location using roadways. Second point, the roadways are the best responsible for door-to-door services as compared to other means. It links the remote and ये point better है. Hilly areas, tribal areas, जो बाकी कोई mode connect नहीं करेगा. Roads are important of people नहीं है, for people. And goods in short and ये अच्छा है. और 2 point ऐसे ही. Good boy. Where did he get the points from? इसी को बोलता है दिमाग and creativity. Shall I give the points? Yes. Why should I? No, it's all you already. Yes. आज किधर है तुम्हारा दोस्त? किधर गया? क्यों? Exam है? Your school exams are done.
21st.
What?
80%.
10 marks का ये कुछ बोल रहा था? This fellow. Today it was a deadline. We had a class. I should go on it. It will give it online because
they feel they want to like see their
as like
Last year, they
and what do you guys do? Code chat, code people. Only. But then they keep the class.
the school must be because the teacher gets now the topography and that's it.
Yeah, all the topo sheets, those who have written the tests in UP, you guys have got back the papers. Anybody have scored above 35 in Yours didn't get 35 and above.
highest is
36.
ठीक है, I am giving the clue for this answer. Please write down based on what he has written. Write down small. I won't say points, bullet points. Write down. First point ऐसे लिखना. Connects all other mode of transport. Second point ऐसे लिखो. Most convenient mode to bring both freight and commuters. You understand commuters? Travelers. Convenient mode to bring commuters and travelers into their house. Just 1 minute. Into their destination. And freight. FRIEGHT. Next. Rapid improvement in roadways. Edge over other mode. है ना? अभी तो public improvement in the roadways. Bracket में जाए तो डाल दो express. कोई public दूसरा mode जाना ही नहीं चाहता. Last. High importance by NHAI or SHAI. High importance by NHAI and SHAI to quality good roads. NHAI for quality good roads. Good quality. Actually, वो meaning और कुछ होता है. Good quality roads. Giving high importance to good quality roads. Hey, let us write railways in your notebook now. Come on, railways. I'm reading this person. It's only transport that provides door to door. It provides mode of transport to airways. It connects. It is the most flexible. ये किसी ने नहीं लिखा. It provides a path to the remote and sparsely populated. ये भी नया point है. Overall loads are highly profitable modes. ये भी अच्छा है. चलो, good. Everyone write down railways. I have already explained that. कौन बोला था? First explain. पकड़ कर answer. Last class क्या कर रहा था भाई? The first railway line. The first railway line. ठीक है, उसी को थोड़ा सा कट शॉर्ट करते हैं. The first railway line began between Mumbai to Thane in 1853. First railway line began between Mumbai to Thane in 1853. 1853. Second point. Today railways is the today Indian Railway. You write IR. Today IR is the single largest network. Single largest network connecting the remotest part of the country. Connecting the remotest part of the country. Part of the country. Next. It is highly useful in fostering. What is fostering? Bringing about national integration and unification. National integration and unification. National integration. And unification. मतलब आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस अगर कोई एक मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है जो इंडिया में यूनिटी लेकर आए, दिस इज रेलवेज. ओके, देन राइट वन मोर सेंटेंस. Railways are grouped into. जरा वॉल्यूम में चेक करना कितना जोन्स में है. 7 जोन्स है. नहीं 7 or 8 zones. और check in your textbook. Northern, northeastern, southern, southeastern, have good zones, right? After 8 zones, 8 directions. Railways are grouped into 8 independent zones. 8 independent zones. 18 है. That is what I want to go. 18, sorry. Divided into. अरे वो रेलवे का काम है, वो तेरा काम है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Not exact the direction. It's the route. अभी साउथ में 4 रूट है, समझा? तो उसके वजह से they might have been. तो 8 के सामने 1 डाल दो बस. 18. 18 independent zones connecting every zone with its sub SUB. Zones, subzones with proper connectivity. क्या? With proper connectivity. What's it? With subzones with proper connectivity. The last line. Then after that you are alone on your own. Advantage and disadvantage लिखो. फिर conclusion मैं दे दूँगा. Today IR. Yeah. Today IR has introduced several new special trains. Several new special trains with private participation into this sector. With private participation into this sector. Put a hyphen, you write Tejas Express. Tejas Express. नहीं ये अलग. Tejas Express, come on, and you write Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat. Tejas and Vande Bharat. It's B. Mध्य Pradesh is Vande Bharat.
B means one.
Vande Bharat. Now write the advantages and disadvantages using the volume. And if you feel they have given less, I can give you more. No, certainly. इसके में तो कुछ लिखे नहीं. No problem. अभी physically काम करें. Good.
As per the combined marks, combining the points are.
No, separate. If you feel points are less, I can add. क्या हो गया? हमारी नानी माँ की तरह शक्ल बने हुए. क्या हो गया? Not sorry, the person who is behind. It is Russia, Trans-Siberian Railway Network, the longest network in the world. उसके बाद इंडिया, अभी उसके बाद चाइना, रशिया, Vladivostok टॉप से, वो तो जनरल नॉलेज है. It is Russia. अभी एक्चुअली अभी अगर मेजरमेंट लिया जाएगा तो आई थिंक इंडिया विल बी नंबर 1. रशिया इज लॉन्ग. अभी रशिया का मेन सिटी में पूरा इंडिया का इन्वेस्टमेंट है. यूएस का कनेक्ट मैडम एनएफ what is this? What is happening? All papers clear, but something has fallen down. Suddenly she will be finding somewhere laying down, and Gauri is on your head. Enough.
Oh, well, they were laughing.
No, but why? That's what I'm asking. And to her, why you are ade? You're not
I'm
happy.
getting advantage.
That's okay. You take mine volume. Keep the anti-corruption little bit away. तू सब जानता, तेरा ही दोस्त हो. तू क्या? तू लिख भाई. अभी I'm going to start waterways now. हाँ लिख सकते हैं ना. Connecting. Who is helping? क्या हो रहा है? Who is helping? You are MBA. I also take being थोड़ा सा उसके लिए भी प्रिपरेशन. But I take for English lectures. I take information of female. No free information. थोड़ा सा प्रोफेशनल चार्जेस लगेगा. वो तो जब लॉगिन करेगा तो वो विंडो लेके जाएगा. अभी नहीं. इंडिया के लिए पहले क्वालिफिकेशन है. 10 students are not going to be Already managed तैयार है.
जय भवानी जय शिवाजी का hey, international army has announced
नहीं इसमें क्या हो गया इंडिया से वो लोग लेता है ट्रेनिंग ITBP का भी अभी गवर्नमेंट ने you know what is ITBP stands for Indian Tibetan Border Protection Force अभी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने बोला नेपाल को अभी नेपाल पीपल को आर्मी में अलाउ नहीं there is some I don't know serious ties with Chinese people क्या हो गया जा सकता है अभी रेनफॉल लगी don't worry hey completed change the para तब तो रेडीमेड आया है what I'm giving waterways now right now very good you are wasting the time it is the cheapest mode of transport it is the cheapest mode of transport now whatever is cheapest mode of transport as the teacher is standing right in front yeah at least she pulled her legs back so I'm coming now right now you keep it no worries now what I was saying cheapest mode of transport हम यहाँ से नजदीक और वहाँ से दूर now your own territory your own zone which zone it is exclusive economic zone right now cheapest mode of transport water is available free of cost पेट्रोल तो लगता है अरे बाबा क्या वाटर में चल के जाएगा क्या water is available free of cost second point no construction and no maintenance cost हाँ जैसे कि रेल सब क्या घर से एक सीट उठा के लेके जाके ट्रेन और बस में जाते समय क्या अपने घर का चेयर लेके जाके बैठ जाते what a comedy if you have seen some tourist buses in India देखा नहीं है ना because I think IST is going to launch Tata made buses which are number one quality buses are AC है I think Navi Mumbai में नहीं आएगा but some of my Mumbai friends are into bed they are working and जैसा लंदन में वो open वो उससे वो नहीं अभी टाटा बेस्ड बसेस are डबल AC बसेस are डबल डेकर independence because वो नहीं वो AC body buses which are the body of the right now what did I say no construction and no maintenance cost one more Indian waterways are well gifted with Indian waterways are gifted with Indian waterways are gifted with long and inundated coastline. Long and inundated coastline. The word is this. Inundated. This is the spell. Total length of 7,500 kilometers. और इसमें navigable something 3,400 है. Is the total length of 7,500 kilometers. इधर है गड़ी इधर है ना अच्छा ये बताओ बॉडी को नहीं बताया तो फिर Indian waterways are gifted with long and inundated coastline with a total length of 7,500 kilometers. Next point. मैं बता waterways are broadly categorized into one inland waterways are broadly categorized into inland waterways two coastal waterways Now write advantages. Yeah, I'm giving it in one line. Will do for my sentence one thing. You might also be tired. Really? All this तुरंत बाद reaction आता है. ठीक है. Points आके एक ही रहेगा. You keep on putting the commas. Okay. Cheapest. Advantages. Cheapest. Most suitable. Fuel efficient. Then eco-friendly, environmental friendly or eco-friendly. I don't want to stand there and standing and he's pushing me. Eco-friendly. Next. Highly beneficial for international trade. Highly beneficial for international trade. Next. Reduces the traffic and more safer mode. Reduces the traffic and more safer mode than roadways or railways. ठीक है. इंडिया में नहीं है उसका. Next you go for disadvantages. Disadvantages.
Sir, I will go check for the roadways and airways.
Correct. Disadvantages. Highly affected by weather condition. Highly affected by weather condition. Come on. Seasickness. Seasickness. Come on. Seasickness. Long hours of journey. In case of waterfalls or rapids, अगर पाथ में है, waterfalls or rapids, totally waste. Rapids are small waterfalls. Last. Any major accident, this is the dangerous color. Oil slick. Any major accident, oil slick. And if the oil is spilled into the ocean or the sea, it is difficult to control. पूरा दुनिया में एक ही agency है, it's an American agency which undertakes the task, and it is a very costly agency. Oil slick. Now the last heading you are writing and moving. That is airway. I am not writing. Come on, quickly. अच्छा एक काम कर लो, पैक कर लो. Black soil but वैसे तो तमिलनाडु में भी black बोलते हैं, but it was I have never seen. Hey, don't go by the map, go by the answer which is given. देखो alluvial soil if you ये किसका है? Whose volume is this one? Okay,